Hi guys, this is a quick video recap of what we did in class today. I am using the period 8 agenda for this, but it is the same regardless of which period you are in. Okay, so the PDN for today was something I had up on my screen, which is part of the next agenda item, so I'm going to show that to you now, except I'm at the wrong end of it. There we go. Okay, so the direction was to open up your thesis statement document, which is where this chart appears. When I explained the chart, I gave you this example using I2 by Langston Hughes, picking a quote from there, explaining the quote, and saying how I think it defines an American. So your job was to complete your chart, your blank chart, with your own quotes and explanations from 3 different texts. And at the end of each explanation, you should have come up with a word or phrase to describe how that text defines Americans. So when you finished your chart, you should have had everything filled in, 3 different quotes, explanations of each one. So where people started to go astray is that these little descriptions that you came up with at the end of each quote are what goes into your thesis statement document. Some people were doing great work here and then not copying it over and just coming up with 3 different words in the thesis. The point is to keep them consistent so that your thesis statement, oh my goodness. Your thesis statement matches with the quotes that you're using to support the different parts of it. So everything here just gets copied over into the 3 boxes of your thesis statement. And then your thesis statement gets copied directly into your intro paragraph. Again, do not change things between the thesis statement document and the intro paragraph. It needs to stay the same so that everything lines up in the end. This completed chart also provides you with all the information you need to write each of your body paragraphs. So I color-coded this one to show you this first row that's in red would be body paragraph number 1. So the word or phrase that describes Americans is what would go into your topic sentence frame. The title, author, and quote go in the support section of your body paragraph. And all the unpacking of the quote goes in your explanation section of the body paragraph. The only thing that is not in this chart is your transition sentence. That is what you are coming up with on your own in the body paragraphs, but that is formulaic as well. So if the red is body paragraph number 1, the orange is body paragraph number 2, and it works exactly the same way. Topic sentence, support, explanation. And yellow would be body paragraph number 3, topic sentence, support, explanation. Please make sure that you are following this format so that you are not doing extra work and so that your essay actually makes sense as a whole. Okay, so you will see that the remainder of class was spent going over my comments on parts of the essay that I returned to you, making changes that I suggested, and then working on body paragraph 2. So all of this is happening in the essay doc. So you should have your introduction paragraph in there. You should have your body paragraph 1 in there. I would have made comments over here in the margins on body paragraph 1, so you can read those comments, make the changes you need to, and then move on to writing body paragraph 2. When you are finished with body paragraph 2, you resubmit this document to me so that I can read it, comment, and send it back to you. So once you have written body paragraph 2 and turned it in, then you are all caught up.